Afternoon, everyone. We ordered something from Shopee. It's for the bike again. So, sana natin siya. Research kasi tayo ng dito. Anong mga suitable parts for the bike. So, only one way to find out. And you can see it's the familiar red hue kung nagsuscooter kayo dati. Underbone. This is one of the popular brands available locally. Pero none for the royal alloy. So we're going to find out if this will fit. Of course, I can't install this here kasi nandito kami sa loob ng building. And there you go. It's shock absorbers for the front. I only have a shock absorber in the rear because it's a GP180. Yes, comes with the manual, the free keychain, tsaka stickers. Ano na ako yan. Here you go. Kasha kaya ito. Ayan. Here it is. So, pinaka concern lang here is this one, the hole, if this would fit dun sa ano, kasi the royal alloy has the same size hole sa ibabaw tsaka ilalim, so wondering which one I should take out later kung sakasakaling di kasya yung isa. Yun, so let you know later, take another vid once I figure out how to install this or which bushing is the right one. Yeah, good afternoon everyone. Yeah, so ito na yung RCB shocks that we got a while ago. And hindi kasi kasya yung this one kasi malaki ang kailangan para dito. And for this one and that one, yeah, to see. So what we did was we have a tool and we have the old shock. Now if you can see, yan, medyo walwal na yung goma. So, kinuha ko na lang yung bushing niya, tapos nilipat ko na lang dito. Anyway, I just need to put this on my handy-dandy scooter stand. And we will install it. Hopefully, walang sumayad. And we'll see how it goes. Yun. mga 5 minutes to do it. Tapos, road test. Tapos, check pala ng clearance kung nasasama. Yun, wala. It's already in. Just need to check yung higpit ng mga this one. I have to tie strap somewhere. Yaman na. There you go. As you see, it's a bit tight, but there's space, so that should work. Other side. See? Oh hell yeah! Let me just wrap this thing up and road test and tell you how it feels. So ayun, installed na siya, as you can see. Again, as a disclaimer, I'm not a mechanic. I am not paid by anyone to do this. I just do this because I like to do it. Then, I'm looking for alternative parts kasi for other owners, just in case may masiraan or may gusto magpalit or may gusto mag-mod. Ano pa lang is, this might affect your warranty. So if you're concerned about it, don't do it. Don't do it. Ayun, so yun nga, it might affect your warranty. So if you're concerned about your warranty, don't touch it. Don't touch it. Nope. Don't even think about it. But, diba, masiraan ka. Masiraan ka, well, yun na, parts. This is locally sourced. This is done by my hand. I'm not trained, may ligla akong mga likot. Actually, most of the parts on this bike is tagal na. The work was done outside, sa labas ko na pinagawa, except for the last one na medyo nabingo ako, pero hayaan mo na, at least naayos na rin sa wakas. Ayan, so Yan, the pads, napalitan ko na yan ng Brembo na pads. If you notice, this one's gold kasi nalaglag siya, so hindi ko alam saan napunta, so I had to replace it. Ayan, yayamanin bolts. Yes, it has rust, I know. It's metal, so kung hindi nyo pa alam, metal po ang Royal Alloy. This one, the mat, recently installed. Thank you RA Philippines kasi sila nagpa-raffle niyan. I was lucky enough to have one. This one. Lights. This one installed outside also. Kasi mahilig ako bumiyahe ng gabi. I can't live without it. So, tsaka sumali ako ng endurance. It's one of the requirements. It was a long time ago. Wala pa kayo nakikitang vid. It's because hindi pa siya napopost. And this one, fly screen, locally sourced. This one from Sir Edward. Siya, meron na naman siyang ginagawang bago. Shout out po kay Sir Edward. So napakaganda niyang gawa. Ayan, kita nyo, meron pang laser etching if you can see it. This one is a Shopee find. Yun. The pads and the rotors. The rotors were replaced at 5,000. The pads I just replaced also to Brembos. Yan. Check na lever. It's broken kasi nalaglag ng mga kapitbahay. So nabali. So hayaan mo na. This is adjustable with an option for a handbrake which I did not install for the meantime. This one. Yan. Syempre hanap tayo ng parts, diba? Ayan, parts ulit. This is supposedly a bigger brake master for better brake feel. Kasi I drive other bikes as well, and as much as possible, gusto ko sana na pare-parehas yung brake feel nila. What else did you do on this bike? Oh! This one is what you call weight reduction. Kasi mabigat to stockpile. So this is a 180, so this is not a slip-on. So nagpagawa ko ng elbow, sana tama yung focus ng cam. And this one I bought from SEC. And I had this modded also para tumahimik ng konti. This one, the bracket, it's very basic if you can see. But this one I've been using for so long. Nakailang libong kilometro na yan na nakakabit together with my 55-liter top box from Pixies, which leaks sometimes. Wala tayong magagawa, maybe it's old. This is a 55-liter box with lots of stuff inside. Extra belt, tools, shades, tali, kung saan ko bang gagamitin yan, multi-tool. Let's close this. And if you were curious kung ano ng mileage ng motor as of today, it's can you see it? Yan, 20,000 Jordan, 20,002.3. Had a few problems with it, pero na-sort out naman, and it's still running fine. Just looking for mods for other owners as well. But mind you, yung mods dito, it's not for all the units that came out in the Philippines. This would probably be the mods dun sa CVT and shock. Merong iba pang 180 lang, because the 180 runs on a single shock, pero the rest would be similar to the 150 and the 300. Preno, suspension sa harap, levers, yung fly screen, yung salamin, yung box. Actually halos lahat, halos parehas. Pwera lang yung sa part ng CVT and sa engine. So what else can I say? Happy 20,002.3. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions pala with regard to modding or anything, just post a message down below. I'd answer it most probably when I see it. And thank you guys for watching. You have a great weekend. It's almost Christmas. Happy holidays!